morning! Welcome to El Nido in the Philippines, and it's island hopping trip day 2. Today I'm going to take you on Islands Tour A. After breakfast, of course. You can't miss your breakfast. We're going on Tour A today, so let's take you around and show you what you'll experience on Tour A.
I'm here for snorkeling today and my partner, Jack Sparrow. So, okay, ma'am, sir, that is our board. Okay, our tour today is Tour A, right? Tour A is we have 5 destinations. Our first stops, 7 commandos, Small Lagoon, Big Lagoon, Secret Lagoon, and Shimizu Island. Okay, ma'am, sir, thank you very much.
Beach, 7 Commando Beach, 7 or 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 Commando Beach. Where 7 commandos or 7 commando islands were. There you go, as you can see, a few more than 7 people here today. Seven Commando Island. Short trip here to either sit in the huts, which you pay extra for, buy some drinks, or just walk on the beach, test a swing, or have a swim. And we're enjoying Secret Lagoon. Swam in. Ignore the kayaks, hope they didn't run me down. Floating in the lake, it is beautiful. So relaxing. That is Secret Lagoon. Very beautiful, bit of a swim, but great. And now, on to more important things. Dinner, which is cooking on the back of the boat. Beautifully cooked. And here's the rest of the food. Fish, chicken, melon. Oh, that's looking good.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start!
last stop of the day before going home, Big Lagoon. Now Big Lagoon is hidden around the corner there. We rented these kayaks, 300 pesos a kayaking, but 1, 2, or you can tow an extra person with it, and then paddle down there into the Big Lagoon down there. Of the day. It's been a beautiful day, and look at this beautiful sky to say goodbye to Tour A island hopping. We have swum, we have snorkeled, we have eaten, we've swum some more, we've kayaked, we've gone through lagoons, we've seen beautiful scenes. Now it's time to go back to El Nido, get a drink on the beach, and watch a beautiful sunset. What a day. Oh, fantastic island hopping day. Up early-ish this morning, but not ridiculously enough time to have a relaxing breakfast and a cup of tea. Heading out to the boat. That was a bit chaotic, a bit disorganised, but got onto the boat. The boat was full at first, and I was a bit worried because a full boat with a whole load of strangers can really make or break your trip. As it was, they were a great group. No real raving people, no too selfish people. We had a great time together. So that was really nice. And, oh my goodness, did you enjoy that trip? Oh, well, you're gonna love where I am now. Found another spot on the beach. Again, the tide is high. I've actually come up a bit higher so I can actually get a nice picture of the sunset for you. But again, the table's on the beach waiting for the fires to be lit. The tide on the beautiful beach is just lapping up onto the tables. I'm just waiting for my drink. And this is where I'm having my sundowner. So come on, who wants to come and join me? Woohoo! Philippines is shaping up beautifully. And I've been so lucky with the weather. The people are so nice. That's the trouble. I said, the more I travel the world, the more wonderful places I find. So I hope you're enjoying this. I hope you're enjoying the Philippines. I hope you're enjoying all my travel vlogs. Remember, if you are, give it a thumbs up. If you got comments or suggestions or things you'd like me to include or exclude or change, again, please put it in the comments below. I'll get back to you soon as I have internet, which isn't very good here, by the way. And remember to subscribe if you want to follow me. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we will go on an adventure together. And good news, my drinks arrived. Thank you very much. So let's enjoy this sunset together.